What do you mean you're gonna kill me?
I don't want to.
Well, you're in here already, so.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Don't throw up. Dude, I'm scared.
Oh my god. Ay, me duele la cabeza. Ay, ay, ay.
You fucking screaming for me.
I was scared.
He said, okay guys, and you were like, ah!
Oh my head.
Oh god. I can't, dude. Can we buy the video?
Fuck my head. Money was spent.
Okay. That was fun as fuck.
Yeah, it was. I kind of did it again.
How was it?
It was great.